We might be witnessing the initial phases of a new bull market. It's gradually unfolding. And according to Miles Deutzer, we could be entering the psychological stage called disbelief. I'm not making any absolute predictions, and I wouldn't rule out the possibility of another dip. But that's not a concern. If it does happen, it could present an excellent entry point. Adding to the potential momentum, we have spot ETFs and the Bitcoin halving just around the corner, about 200 days from the time of recording. In my view, the early signs of the next crypto bull run are surfacing, even though we might still be in a bear market. As the saying goes, real fortunes are made during bear markets, and our goal is to make strategic decisions now that will pay off in the upcoming bull market. This video is all about foresight. We're spotlighting 4 of our preferred altcoins that we believe will thrive during the Bitcoin bull run. Welcome to the channel. I'm Crypto Buzz. Best of luck if you decide to dive into the investment landscape, but always remember, I'm not a financial or investment advisor. This video doesn't constitute official financial or investment advice. The first project on my radar today is an altcoin holding a solid position in the top 10 projects by market cap, Cardano, with the ticker ADA. Charles Hoskinson, a co-founder of Ethereum, is behind this project, and its development began as far back as 2015. Cardano, being an OG project, has evolved significantly and boasts a wide array of use cases. For instance, the Ethiopian government utilizes Cardano for school IDs, enabling them to record and monitor academic performance. Veritree relies on Cardano to store information about the trees they plant as a global reforestation company. Even Dish Network, listed on the NASDAQ, leverages Cardano to provide digital IDs to its customers. An exciting development on the horizon is Cardano's Voltaire era, transitioning it from a private to a public network in terms of control. The project's versatility is evident, with ongoing updates and developments coming out of their 2023 summit in Dubai. ADA has shown robust performance in recent months, with a notable 25–30% price increase in the last 30 days. However, don't think you've missed the boat. Looking at the year-to-date performance, there was a decline, but Cardano is now making a comeback after a challenging 12 months. Despite some skepticism, the project is fundamentally stronger than ever, and I anticipate ADA to perform exceptionally well in the upcoming bull run, regaining its status as a favorite in the cryptosphere. Stay tuned for more updates from the ongoing summit in Dubai. Next up in our lineup of altcoins, we've got Solana, represented by the ticker SOL. At the start of the year, let me tell you, this token seemed down and out, dipping below the $10 mark. But Solana's been on a recovery track, bouncing back impressively from the earlier downturn. Facing not only the pressures of a bear market, but also dealing with FTX-related challenges, Solana has shown remarkable resilience, marking a 300% surge from its January lows. Sure, the FTX collapse hit Solana hard, but talk about a comeback. It briefly crossed the $45 barrier, currently hovering around $42.40. Over the last 30 days, we witnessed approximately a 69% increase, and year-to-date, it's up by over 20%. That's noteworthy considering many other coins are still deep in the red this year. Let me give you a bit of context. The Breakpoint meeting in Amsterdam concluded yesterday, on the 7th of November. Also, Render Network is making a move to Solana, and that's exciting news. Regardless of any collaboration with Solana, Render Network, with its focus on the intersection of AI and cryptocurrency, is something we're big fans of. Now, Solana, which used to be known for outages, remarkably had only a small hiccup in February this year. Impressive, right? And with some fantastic new partnerships, including Visa for stablecoin settlements, e-commerce giant Shopify introducing Solana Pay, and MakerDAO migrating from Ethereum to Solana, the positive news keeps rolling in. Solana is bustling with activity, now ranking as the 4th chain with the highest number of developers. In just 12 months, it's made a complete 180-degree turn from a doom and gloom situation to one filled with optimism. However, there's still the FTX sale of SOL to watch out for, so keep an eye on that. Despite the challenges, don't discount Solana because fundamentally, they're on the right track. Now let's talk about another project, landing at number 3 on our list, and it's one we're quite enthusiastic about. You might not have heard us discuss it recently, but let's dive into Arweave, represented by the ticker AR. This project focuses on decentralizing storage, addressing our ever-growing need for digital storage space in today's world. If you haven't already, check out our quick 2-minute explanatory video on Arweave for more insights. Arweave stands out from other storage providers you might be familiar with, like Filecoin or maybe Storage. Why? Because Arweave offers something unique: permanent storage. Now, there's a bit of a catch, considering 200 years as permanent. That's what they mean by their PermaWeb, a one-time fee, and you're set for 200 years. As a cool tidbit, Solana stores its data on Arweave, and platforms like Arbitrum and Polygon are also integrated into Arweave's network. Interested in mining with Arweave? All you need is 8 GB of RAM and a Linux system. Arweave provides various tech solutions, with Blockweave as their core storage system, complemented by a ranking algorithm called Wildfire, and a cost-effective transit information feature known as Block Shadow, used to maintain consistent gas fees. As of my recording, the AR token has seen a slight increase today, up a couple of percentage points, and it's surged over 50% in the last 14 days, reaching a current price of $7 flat. However, looking at the past year, the AR token is still down in the 50 to 60% range. While it's experienced a recent uptick, signaling positivity, the long-term position for AR seems promising. Now let's dive into number 4 on our list, and this one is a personal favorite of mine. We're talking about the Secret Network, and what I really appreciate about it is its position within the Cosmos Hub projects. Cosmos offers a variety of projects, each excelling in different areas. We've discussed projects like Injective and Akash before, but Secret stands out for its focus on privacy. It's all about private smart contracts. Recently, there have been some changes in leadership, injecting new ideas and options into the mix, a positive development. The major highlight, however, lies in their 2023 roadmap. This roadmap centers around 3 key areas, ultimately aiming to establish Secret as a leader in Web3 confidentiality. The Confidential Computing Hub fosters connectivity between Secret and other ecosystems. What stands out most is the interoperability with EVM chains. Secret has been making appearances at various Ethereum conventions, signaling a strategic move. Another focal point is network infrastructure, covering aspects related to the network itself: community public goods, SCRT allocations, business development, and more. Currently, the Secret token, SCRT, is up by 3.6%, but it's significantly down over the last year, despite a recent uptick of about 20-25% in the past 2 weeks. It's gearing up for a positive bull run, yet still down by approximately 70% over the last year. However, I included Secret on this list because its foray into EVM is a game changer, indicating a bright future. The current price is 33 cents, with an $88 million market cap, down 96.8% from its all-time high of $10.38 2 years ago. In my humble opinion, this presents a screaming bargain right now.